Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Janet McMahon with Keller Williams Realty, and I'm really excited to show you this listing I have here in Ripon at 810 Spring Creek Drive. You know, Ripon is known as the jewel of the Central Valley, so I'm really excited to bring you on inside and show you a little sneak peek. Come on in. Follow me. Well, this is a custom home and it's over 2,358 square feet. We do have 3 bedrooms and 3 full baths with a den. Now, what is unique about this home is that the master bedroom and bath is downstairs. You don't find that too often. But what I really want to show you is the backyard. Come on back. Welcome to this Spring Creek oasis. So we've got a swimming pool here with a water feature. We've got plenty of room for your outdoor barbecues and family space. Of course, we've also got 2 raised garden beds with potential RV access back here. So keep in mind, we're also right up the street to Spring Creek Golf and Country Club. So if you know anyone that's looking to buy in Ripon and wants a good value, we just did a recent price reduction down to $533,900. So give me a call or come by and check out our open house this weekend, Saturday from 1 p.m. to 4 p.m. If you have any questions, call me at area code 925-413-9790. Janet McMahon, Keller Williams Realty, your Ripon Realtor.